Okay guys, today I'm going to be opening up volume 29 of the RC Explosion box. We have 10 packs here. Go ahead and call out the packs. This number is just the order I like to open them in. We have 1982 Donruss, 2010 Topps Chrome, 2014 Bowman Draft, 2018 Topps Update, Acuna Soto, that's the big pack, 2019 Heritage Minor League, 2019 Series 1, 2020 Topps Chrome, I believe that's that and 18 updates, the only retail packs, 2021 Bowman, 2021 Heritage, and 2021 Series 1. So I do like to open the oldest pack first, and then I go in the order I would like to go after that. I'll call out the guys as we go, in case you didn't already see them. But Ripken, Smith, and Stewart is who you're looking for out here. So none of the guys we're looking for out there. Up next is 2021 Heritage. Carlson, Hayes, Adele, Bohm, Pache, Montcastle, and Chisholm. I think Chisholm only has an autograph in here, if I'm not mistaken. I think the other guys have some form of base card. And at the time of me recording this video, I don't think anybody has posted theirs yet, so I might have the first one on YouTube for you guys to watch. Maybe I can pull something good. 2019 Minor League Heritage. Franco, Julio Rodriguez, Luis Robert, and Kalinick all have autographs in here. Just a Madrigal insert. But none of the guys we're looking for. Up next is 2019 Series 1. So Acuna and Soto both have their cup cards in here. They also have Corbin Burns, Kyle Tucker, Laureano, Kopech, and Wow, or Low. Not sure how you say it, but there's two of them. They do have some type of gold card in the middle. We'll see who that is. And our gold is Chris Bryant. Another rookie, but pretty good name to get. Alright, up next we have 2014 Bowman Draft. So Devers, Eloy Jimenez, Trey Turner, Matt Chapman, Chris Bryant, although I think it's not his true first Bowman, so I think he had an autograph in it earlier. Bowman, Flaherty, Verdugo, and Michael Kopech. We do have a first Bowman Chrome, not who we're looking for. An insert. Brian Anderson, first Chrome. And Aaron Nola, first paper. I don't know if he was listed on there. We'll put him up there for now until we get something better, hopefully. 2021 Series 1. So Carlson, Adele, Bohm, Pache, Montcastle. So I think Adele is Adele's still in minor leagues. I don't think he's doing too good either as of now. So let's see what we can get. Garrett Cole insert. Alright, now into some of the shinier stuff. 2010 Topps Chrome, Stanton and Strasburg is who you're looking for. That sounds a little tough to open. There we go. Oh, it's backwards. So we might have some either thick or small in here. I don't know. Drew Stubbs rookie card, and this is a numbered card. This is interesting. Matt Holliday. The back is like vintage stock. I don't know if that's what it's considered. It's blue out of 199. The Matt Holiday numbered card. Okay, up next is 2020 Topps Chrome Retail. Bo Bichette, Luis Robert, Yordan Alvarez, Gavin Lux, Rosarena, Howells, and Dustin May. So there's Miguel Cabrera, Baez, Seth Brown, and Bobby Bradley. So this will be the first Bowman pack I'll open. I do actually have some on the way from Topps, some of the blaster boxes. They should be here sometime this week, so I'll have some more videos. I know it's actually been a while since I've posted a video. Haven't really had anything to open, but it shouldn't be a problem for at least the next week or two. But there is Austin Martin, Cespedes, Acosta, Jordan, Perez, Sabato, and Alcantara. I think that's how you say it. It's like, nah, let's say it's the insert, I believe. There's Joe Adele rookie card, Brad Hayes rookie card, a top 100, number 50. Andrew Vaughn, Luis Garcia. So none of the guys we were looking for. And the last pack is 2018 Topps Update. Of course, Acuna and Soto are big guys. Also Otani, Beaver, Torres, and Meadows have cards in here. Let's see if we got any of those guys. Zuna card. And there's a Acuna debut. So did get an Acuna, just not the base rookie card. Rookie debut, so that is not bad at all. I'll do a quick recap. Didn't get too much except that the very last card is probably the best one we got, the Acuna rookie debut. We did get Aaron Nola first Bowman paper. We got Chris Bryant gold 2019, and we got this out of 2010 Topps Chrome. This is Matt Holiday. It's numbered to 199. It's blue. And then we did get an Acuna Jr., but it is a rookie debut, but still cool. And that's going to be it for this video, guys. I will link Phil's channel and the RC page in the description. But thanks for watching.